I gotta be super serious.
Oh, we're doing.
And I'm Tommaso Vaccarella. I'm the co-founder and general manager of ConnectedStories.
Bob Evans, the founder of Cloud Wars. You can help businesses develop personalized creatives in an extremely short period of time. Talk about that.
We started off with AWS, but we soon migrated to GCP. We have started using Vertex AI up to scale the decisioning capabilities. So we are now democratizing access to data-driven creatives.
Are your customers excited when they find out you can help bring the power of AI to their business?
We work with CPG clients, retailers, entertainment companies, financial service solutions, essentially experimenting with generative AI in different capacities. So ConnectedStories brings to market an enterprise-ready solution very specifically trained to optimize creative personalization. Customers differentiate the way they're communicating to their prospects, shrinking those costs.
It seems like this revolution that you're involved in from the creative side can get every part of every business moving not only more rapidly, but with more focus on the customer and the business outcome.
100%. All the different operational layers, legal, recruiting, and finance within an organization that can all be helped and sort of like powered by generative AI as essentially a collaborator.
Dozens, hundreds, billions of companies now say, oh, I sell Gen AI technology. Everybody's doing it. Why Google Cloud out of all those choices you could have had?
When generative AI came along, I would say that no better partner than Google could have supported us from both a technology standpoint and actually an implementation standpoint. And we saw some of the stats. 70% of the now generative AI unicorns are actually built on GCP. So ConnectedStories is building the new way to unlock advertising creative personalization at scale.